In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to turn back. Honorable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have started a series of linguistics. In linguistics, we commenced the chapter that is known as semiotics. Semiotics is the study of signs, symbols, and signals. Listeners and audience, today I'm going to teach you the difference between encoding and decoding. What is encoding and what is decoding? And what are some examples? Listeners and audience, decoding is the process of converting and changing written words, sentences, or any text into spoken form. Listeners and audience, for example, some written words are available. In semiotics, we call them symbols. So when some written words are available on the board and you change those words into a spoken form, it is the example of decoding. Now, it's not necessary that the words are available on the board. It can be in any place. It is available on the board or in the book or in a text form. So you change those words into spoken form. It is the example of decoding. On the other hand, whenever we are talking about encoding means when you are changing and converting the audio in video form into your own words, or when you are transferring the spoken text into the written form, that is called encoding. For example, you are listening a lecture in audio form. So there are some important information, so you are transcribing them in your own words. It is based on you. Either you are changing the exact words of the teacher into written form, or you are changing it into your own words. It is called encoding. Another example would be that you are watching, for example, a lecture that is in video form, and you noting down some important information. Either you are noting down the exact words of the teacher or in your own words. This is called encoding. So hope that now you know about encoding and decoding. The question is, what is the relationship between encoding and decoding and the relationship with the semiotics? Yes, it has, or both have a relationship with semiotics, because semiotics is the study of signs and symbols. Here in decoding, for example, you are changing the written words. So when we are talking about the written words are actually referring to symbols and icon as well. For example, you see a picture on the board. That may be the picture of a tree, for example. We call it icon. So you don't say that this is icon, you directly say this is a tree. So you look at the icon and you change it into spoken form. Similarly, you look at the symbols which we call words in semiotics. So to those words you transfer and change it into spoken form. So that is the example of also of decoding. So hope that now you know about the difference between encoding and decoding and their relationship with semiotics. Thank you.